So as you can see right here, she was able to generate her first $300 day just using the exact method that I'm about to reveal to you. And she was going to go for $2,000 this week, because once you learn this exact step-by-step method that I'm about to reveal to you, you can really ramp up your results and start to generate money as soon as possible. What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this video, I'm going to reveal to you a little known secret strategy you can use to generate as much as $5,000 a month without zero selling at all. So if you're someone that doesn't like to sell, you don't like dealing with rejection, you want to pay close attention to this entire video, because you're going to learn every single step. So no matter if you're brand new, if you have zero tech skills, you're going to be able to apply this and start to see results. Now, also towards the end of the video, I'm even going to share with you a little known free traffic strategy to get massive clicks to the product you're promoting, so you can start to make tons even more money very, very easily. Now, before I dive in though to this first step, if you're new to my channel, I post weekly videos on how to make money online. And if you're excited to learn this powerful strategy, be sure to smash the like button right now. And that tells me you want me to make more videos just like this. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to step one. Okay, the very first step is we need to find a good product to promote. Now, you can go to many different places with this method, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using clickbank.com. So all you have to do is go to ClickBank, and if you don't have a free account, you can go ahead and sign up. It takes just a few minutes. Go ahead and click start here, and then you can go through this simple process, answer the different questions, and then once you qualify and you're approved, you want to go to your back office and you want to click this tab under Marketplace, because we're going to find a product that fits certain criteria that works best for this powerful method. Okay, so what I recommend you do is you go to the search bar and you type in the word free, and you go ahead and search that, okay? Because this is gonna find products that are given away to people for free, but usually they have upsells in the back end, okay? So it's very easy to start making these initial sales, and sometimes the average dollar per conversion, for example, this one is, $89. So you get people for a free, usually free plus shipping type offer. They buy it, and then you can go ahead and let the upsells kick in and start to make money. So the other thing we want to do is we want to go to the left, and we want to usually do an initial dollar per conversion. I do max, usually around $10, and then we want to hit go, because this is again going to filter and make sure that the initial cost for that person is very low. Okay, so you can go ahead and scroll through. You also want to make sure this is, at least $10 to make it worth your while. Now, I found this one right here. It's a free waterproof lighter, okay? And the average dollar per conversion is around $27, which is really good. And again, it gives it away for free. So that's gonna get a lot of people to want to actually get this, okay? Now, this is what the sales page looks like. It's very attractive and it's very eye-catching. Now, once we find a good product, the next step is we want to go to Google Sites, okay? So all you have to do is sites.google.com. You'll get taken here, and you just want to go ahead and create a blank Google site. Now, this is totally free, but what we're going to be able to do is use this site and use the method I'm going to share as you keep watching to get massive amount of clicks to our affiliate link. Okay, so the next step is we want to actually edit this title here. Okay, so we just go to header type, and you can go ahead and hit title only. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the sales page, and we want to replicate the look of the sales page as close as possible. Okay, so first off, go ahead and copy the title and go back here, and we want to paste that in just like that. Okay, now I can go ahead and make this look more attractive. I can drag it out like this. It's very drag and drop, and it's very simple, and you can see it's already coming together. Now you can go ahead and make this more larger like this, okay? And you just want to play around with it, make it look, like I said, somewhat close to this page here. Now the next thing we can do is we can actually add an image. Now you want to do this because, again, we want it to look attractive. We want to get people curious about how they can get this free item, in this case, the waterproof lighter. So how do we do this? Well, it's very simple. We go to the sales page, and you just want to find an image, and you want to right click, and you want to hit copy image address. Now we want to go back to Google Sites, and we want to insert an image, okay? So you can just go ahead and double click that and then hit select. Now what we want to do is we want to actually go by URL, okay? And we want to paste the URL that we just copied, and you can see that it grabs that image from the sales page, and we can go ahead and insert it onto our Google site just like that. And you can see that it's starting to come together. Now we want to insert a text box, okay? Now we want to just click that, and I usually like to move this next to the image, okay? Like I said, we want to just replicate this as close as possible, and we can go ahead and copy the details that are going to get people enticed into want to get this product, okay? Now we can go ahead and, drag this, make it a little bit bigger, just to make it look pretty good, okay? Now that looks pretty good so far, and we can go ahead and continue with the next step of this method. Okay, so the next step is we want to use a very little known site to actually make this even better and make us more money. So we want to go to a site called 𝐽𝐴DS.com. Now, once you're on this site, you want to register. It's again totally free to actually use this site. You can just go to the top and click sign up. Now, once you sign up, there's just a few simple questions you have to answer, and you can go ahead and log into your back office, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to actually go to tools, and under tools, we want to do Captcha lockers, okay? Now, that's going to take you to this page here, and we want to create a Captcha locker. Basically, this is going to lock the page. Have to complete a Captcha in order to access our Google site. And you'll see how this all ties in as you keep watching. So we want to click create a Captcha locker, and we want to just go ahead and name this something that has to do with the product. So this is a free waterproof lighter. So I can go ahead and type that in, free waterproof lighter. And what we can do is click redirect, okay? Now what we want to do is go back to ClickBank, and we want to click promote on the product that we're promoting, and we want to generate hop link. And what we're going to do is this is actually going to give us our affiliate link. So every time someone goes to this specific link and they buy the product, we will actually get credit for that referral, and we will earn money, and we will actually also earn money on all the different upsells they have as well, which is what makes this method so powerful. So we click copy, and then we want to go back here and we want to hit redirect URL, and we want to click create locker. So now that that's created, then go ahead and paste the affiliate link right there. Now just go to advanced, and we want to do a couple things right here. For payout threshold, you can do 20 cents. Okay, so that means you're going to make at least 20 cents when someone actually completes the offer and takes the action. Access time, we can actually do 30 minutes. That's pretty good. And then we can go ahead and do device specific. That's fine. And then edit locker. And now it is saved. Okay. Now, once it's saved, we want to click actions, and we want to actually click view details. Now, this is what it's actually going to look like. And you can see right here, they have a script, so you can go ahead and install this on your Google sites. Now keep watching, because I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this very, very easily, even if you're not technical. Okay, now go back to Google Sites, and we want to add a piece of text that looks something like this. Complete the Captcha below to access your free, and then whatever item you're selling, in this case, waterproof lighter. And then we want to click embed, okay? And we want to go to embed code, and now we want to insert the code that we found on the 𝐽𝐴DS website. So if we go back here, the first thing we want to do is we want to highlight and copy this step 1 code, and we want to go back to Google Sites and insert it there. And then go ahead and hit enter, and then we copy the second line of code, and we go back, and then we hit it right there, and then next, okay? And it's gonna share with you what it's gonna look like. You can see right there that it's showing that Captcha, which that means it's working great, and then we just hit insert. Now it's going to be able to show this whenever someone goes to this page. Okay, you can see it right there, and then we can just click and drag it so it's centered right there. Then go ahead and click publish, put in a couple words, like free waterproof lighter, okay, just to name that URL, and then we can go ahead and click publish. And now we can go ahead and view what it looks like by clicking there, and we can see right here that it looks pretty darn good, okay? So it has the title there, a good image, some information, and then it says complete the Captcha below. So when they actually click that, it goes ahead and shows them this content locker, which they have to complete in order to access their free waterproof lighter, which will start to make us even more money when they go ahead and do that. So the next step is we need to start getting people to go to this page, and now I'm going to share with you exactly how to get massive free traffic that's very targeted to hit this page, so you can start to make up to $5,000 a month without any selling at all. Now, before I dive into that free traffic method, again, be sure to smash the like button and comment, yes, I like this, if this is actually helping you, so I know to make more videos just like this. But the free traffic method we're gonna use is going to be Facebook, okay? Now, all you wanna do is you wanna go to Facebook and you wanna actually search in the top a few words that have to do with the niche your product is in. So for example, I can go ahead and type in survival, since waterproof lighters are typically having to do with people that want survival skills. And then I can go ahead and filter by groups, and then I can go ahead and look for popular groups around this topic. So you can see right here, this has 19,000 members. This one has 38,000 members, okay? And I would just join a few of these groups. Now, once you're actually inside of this group, the next thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and make a post. Now, the post you're gonna make is going to be something like this, okay? I actually made this post a while back on my profile, but it works the same in the Facebook group. You could just say something, very eye-catching, very curiosity building, like, wow, I just found out how to get totally free waterproof lighters. Be sure to comment info if you want more information, okay? Tell people to comment if they want to find out more, and then you should have people commenting, especially if the group is active, and then you can go ahead and go through and message these people the link to your Google Sites. And then when they hit this page, again, they'll go ahead, complete the CAPTCHA, they'll do the content lock, they'll go ahead and submit that offer, and then we'll be making even more money with the upsells and all that other good stuff. There we have it, my friend. I really hope you got value in this video. If you want to discover another free training that's gonna share with you my #1 recommended affiliate system to generate even up to $1,000 or more per day, be sure to click the first link directly below and you can check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.